Hello everyone, welcome to Toolers. In this video, I will show you video settings in OBS Studio. Open your OBS Studio and upgrade your OBS Studio version to 30.0.2 and you can go to settings. Here you can see various options over here and you can click on output section and then recording. You can change this recording format to MP4 and video encoder into 264 and resolution to 3840 into 2160. If you want 4K resolution, you can put this 3840 into 2160. Otherwise, you can put full HD resolution like 1920 by 1080. Then after click on apply and then after go to video. Here also you can enter your output resolution to 4K if you want, otherwise you can go with full HD and frame per second to 60. After changing all these settings, you can click on apply and OK. Thank you for watching.